Hello, hello, my amazing artists. Today I finished working or drawing most of my American Folk Art Rooster project. You can see I started thinking about the background. This is just one idea for your background and you can use it or not, it's up to you. But I created a frame line that goes around the rooster. It reminded me of the American folk art quilts that were made. And in these squares, I think I'm going to add a star, but you guys can make a symbol for yourself on each of them. And I think I'm going to do red, white, and blue stripes going through to make it look like a quilt. In case you don't know how to make a frame line like this, I'm going to show you in a moment, but notice how I made the lines go behind the rooster. Let me show you. All I did was start a little bit from the side. I started at the top of the paper, and I always pull and turn. I pull my pencil towards me. Those make the straightest lines. Pull and turn. Pull and turn. Pull and turn. Now, you've got to think about what you want for the background of your American Folk Art Rooster project. Take your time, but keep it simple. You've already spent so much wonderful time making your rooster. And if you want to go back into, let's see, your Google slides to check out little details. If you look closely at this rooster, you can see some texture details. Same thing here. To look at details for your rooster, you can, or even for some background inspiration. If you go to the directions page right here, you can see some real roosters crowing if you click here, if that, is something you're interested in. All right, boys and girls, enjoy your artwork.